Hey guys, this is G Nobel A, and I wanted to tell you about that time I had to learn how to draw again. So, I have two interests in art forms, and I practice both of them till today. And I got into 3D modeling when I was like 19, and I've been drawing for as long as I can remember, basically. But in order to get good at 3D modeling, I had to practice it and learn the software religiously. And that took time away from drawing, basically. Eventually, after years of practicing 3D, I got to a point where I wasn't even drawing that much anymore. Until, I guess, late January, when I figured out that maybe I should get back into drawing and give it a try. The result, the result was really, yeah, it was terrible to say the least, and it took over 7 hours just to finish the whole drawing. And within the first week, I made sure that I practiced drawing every day, and I wanted to make things kind of easy for me so as to not overload my brain with too much information at once. So I started off by learning sketching and getting my proportions right before I moved on to the next step. And that time I was just adding basic shading to my drawings, like nothing too complicated. It was just like add a few values there and there and just send a drawing out. And in the third week I moved on to color, and still today that's something that I am struggling with, but I can see some progress overall. And I also created a separate account on Instagram for all my drawings so that I can keep track of my progress. I mean, it doesn't have a lot of followers, but that's not the point for now. The point that I'm trying to make is that if you want to improve on your art, you should manage your time efficiently and practice one thing at a time and get better at it before you move on to the next thing. Because I realize now that after all the practice, not only did I get better, but I'm a little faster too. Don't know if that matters. I don't even spend that much time on a basic sketch overall. So anyway, I hope you find this video helpful. And if you want me to make more videos like this where I talk about my art journey and experiences, or if you have any questions that you'd like to ask me art related, you can leave them in the comments. Oh, and also if you want to follow my Instagram account, the one that I keep my drawings on, link is in the description. You can follow that if you want. And I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.